What is going on, YouTube world? I'm your brother Reza, and this is KRT Life. KRT Life. Like, subscribe, comment, and all that. And today is a rainy day in Georgia, which means it's a perfect day for me to finally open up this package. Coming up next. All right, y'all, this is gonna be a quick vlog. As y'all know, back in the day, like many moons ago, I did a vlog about my TERYX Beta AR jacket, Gore-Tex jacket, and my TERYX Atom LT hoodie. And as y'all know, the Beta AR had issues when I washed it. I had it for over 10 years, never washed it, always kept me dry, always worked. But when I finally did wash it, upon recommendation of some of you guys out there, it fell apart. And I had a couple other small issues with my Atom ALT as well. And TERYX finally made good on their promise to send me out some new gear. Now, I'm not sponsored by TERYX. I don't know anything about TERYX people or stuff like that. And this whole channel is 100% unsponsored. So everything you see is our real opinions on stuff. I sent the jackets back and they said, okay, we'll hook you up and send you a new jacket. I had to pay a little bit of money out of pocket. It wasn't that much, but it was about roughly $100-something, and they sent me out an LT and a Beta AR. So let's go ahead and open them. And I wanted to do this on camera, and that's why it took so long. And see what we got here. Okay, this thing is really glued tight. There we go. Rip into that package. We have two packages right here. I'm assuming one of them is my, what in the world? Did they send me two of the same thing? What is going on? Hold up. What this is? Uh-oh. They sent me the right thing. All right. So let's see what we got in this package. All right. We have return information, just in case something was wrong. But honestly, it's been months, and I have not opened this package, so that's my fault. My bad, y'all. I got me a TERYX sticker. Oh, that's really cool. Got the little bird on there. And I have an invoice. Let me see if this invoice says exactly how much I paid. It does not, but it says what I have in here. And it says I have an Atom LT hoodie, which I think is this one right here, and I have a Beta AR, which is this one right here. So let's go ahead and open them up real quick. Sorry I'm doing this in such a rush, but it's been so busy, y'all, with the kid and getting ready for a baby. And all right, here we go. Ooh, 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 it feels so nice and new. This is my new Atom LT in a size small. It better be a size small. Yep, size small. Look at that. Oh my God. My other one literally lasted me over 10 years, and it had a couple small issues, as y'all can remember, down here where it was separating. But this thing is awesome for running, for traveling, for skiing, for literally everything that you can imagine under the sun. This jacket can do it, and it does it in style, because apparently TERYX is still popping. Actually, I don't know if they're still popping anymore. I haven't seen it much on our Instagram feed lately, so maybe TERYX is out of trend. I don't know, but there it is.
Coming, so.
Yeah, and this one, unlike my other one, it has a couple other little features, like this little pull tab. It's black on the inside. My other one was black and gray, if y'all don't remember. And yeah, let's see what else we got. Now this is the big dog right here. This is the real expensive one. This right here is the Beta AR jacket. So let's see how this is, because this one feels a lot lighter than my old one. And that was one thing that I was really curious about when I was doing all the TERYX reviews was, are the new jackets any different from the old jackets? And mine was old. All right, so let's see here. Well, I can say this, it definitely has that crinkly sound still. And this one is also the Gore-Tex Pro Shell. It should be the 3-layer. And yeah, these things are super, super duper mega bomb proof. I mean, I literally have put these things through the ringer, as you can see Gore-Tex Pro right there. The worst kind of weather that you can throw at these things, it takes it, and it takes it like nothing. And one of the reasons why I had to hurry up and open this stuff is because just yesterday we were off-roading and this happened. I brought this with me, y'all. Now, this is the North Face Drizzle jacket in Gore-Tex, but this is a very, very lightweight Gore-Tex material, and it was a very light drizzle. Always a situation when we in the woods. We're gonna tow out this. Wow, look how kicked up. Oh my goodness. Yeah. How's it looking?
Huh?
How's it looking?
Which way?
And this thing wetted out almost immediately, and I have washed it, and I have reapplied DWR to it several times, and it still wets out. I originally bought this for Costa Rica, and like let's go into tropical environments and stuff like that, but it's like it never really worked as good as I wanted it to, and to me, I'm so used to this right here that keeps me 100% dry. I can't in good faith take this with me somewhere and expect to be dry. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and sell this one or donate it or give it to one of our friends or something like that. Beautiful jacket, yellow, I love it. And the yellow North Face jacket is very nostalgic for me because my brother had one. I love the jacket, but it doesn't really work. So I can't justify keeping it, and I'm downsizing, so yeah, this thing has to go. Now, the other one that I wanted to talk to y'all about real quick is this combination of the Atom LT, which is right here, and this one right here, I can't remember these damn names all the time. What did I say this one was called? Beta AR.
Yeah.
The Beta AR is such a good combo. I'm really having an issue justifying keeping the North Face Bandit jacket. Now, the North Face Bandit jacket, this thing is awesome. It has never let me down. I have taken it snowboarding, skiing. I've taken it camping, I think, a couple of times. And it has been a very good jacket to me. Very windproof, very waterproof, very warm, very soft and cozy when you're on an airplane. But the thing is, I kind of feel like these two jackets and systems kind of overlap with each other. And it's kind of redundant. And I'm trying to downsize and get all of my stuff in one area of the house. So having all these extra jackets just doesn't make any more sense to me. So this one also, I'm probably going to end up selling or donating to someone. And I love North Face gear. Like this one right here has been very good to me. It does work. It does everything that it's advertised to do. But unfortunately, I got to admit, this TERYX stuff, it's like it does everything that you need in one system. Like if you need it to be light, if you need to go running, if you need to go mountain biking, if you need to go to Costa Rica, if you need to do anything, it does all those things. Probably not extremely well as something that's more refined for a specific activity, but it can do all of them pretty darn decently. So that's why I'm gonna get rid of all those other jackets that I have and just stick to the TERYX system. It's bulletproof. They stand by their products. And I mean, 10 years with one system, another 10 years another, that's 20 years. You know, I can pretty much use this stuff for the rest of my life. So my other jackets are gonna have to go. So I'm your brother Drizzle. This is KRT Life, KRT Life with the Y. Like, subscribe, comment, and all that. And yeah, gonna keep rocking with the TERYX. Cause what else am I gonna do at this point? I'm a married man with children.
It has to do with the jackets.
Downsizing, duh, gotta downsize.
Oh, okay.
All right, y'all, peace.